LS Art Consulting is where the possibilities are truly limitless. This is the premier division of Frameworks. As we rename ourselves from Frameworks to LS Art Consulting, we continue to excel in the selection, ideation, design, and production of one-of-a-kind custom artworks, installations, and design products. Some examples of our clientele are hospitality companies, cruise lines, design firms, healthcare facilities, multifamily developments, and more. Our unrivaled expertise, innovation, and state-of-the-art printing technologies are the foundations for our methodology. Our process is simple. First, we listen. Our art consultants work with our collaborators to take their vision and make it into a reality, ensuring the art is a true reflection of the brand. We create. With Limitless Possibilities, we're a leading force behind hundreds of creative projects, bringing each unique vision to life with a blend of passion and precision. If we can't source the art through our global network of artists, we can definitely create it in our 20,000 square foot fabrication and curation facility by our talented team of artists. We come equipped with a variety of printers and other equipment that makes art creation easy. A few examples of substrates we can print on include fine art paper, wall covering, wood, aluminum both white and brushed, and acrylic. These are just a select few, but the possibilities really do stretch to limitless. We also expanded our possibilities when we purchased a CNC router, which is a large flatbed machine that automates precise cutting, carving, engraving, and milling processes. Our artists can design intricate patterns and designs, and the CNC machine cuts or carves into the same variety of material substrates we listed earlier. Lastly, we deliver. We utilize our industry-wide experience and state-of-the-art printing technology to redefine what's possible and over-deliver to our customers' expectations. If you're in the business of elevating your brand, we're here to help. LS Art Consulting was founded with a passion for art and a vision to bring beauty and inspiration into people's lives. As a certified woman-owned entity, we specialize in delivering innovative design and fabrication solutions to you and your spaces. Let's work together to create something unforgettable. Thanks for watching, and remember that the possibilities are always limitless with LS Art Consulting.